Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is just an example that I will show that I got actually today, and explaining that a lot of people are panicking, especially if you have elderly people on the internet. One of the things that is unknown very often to a lot of them is that nobody can actually charge you for anything unless you have to pay with a credit card. Your internet service provider does not, it's not like the phone company. You make a long distance, it adds to your bill. It doesn't work like that. And a lot of people get fooled. The example I wanted to show, and I think, it's worth it if you know elderly people that might actually be susceptible to, go maybe be scared of something like this and try to call the numbers and try to have a fix, because this is one of the phishing scams, or one of the scams that we see often. I get this actually very often. This is a scam about, so it tells you here that, oh well, by the way, this is the detail of your subscription invoice, and it says Norton Family, all devices, and so on, and it tells you that they're gonna charge you $418 US, 1 year of subscription, and so on. And it says auto debit from account. It doesn't work like that. And then there's a number, and this number is where you get scammed, because what's going to happen is that they're going to actually ask you for some really personal details about your banking account, or credit cards and stuff like that. So I think it's worth mentioning that these are scams. They can't do anything. All they do is send you this message. They can't debit you. They can't get money from you without you having a payment method. It doesn't work like that. So do not be scared of something like this. And I know a lot of people kind of aren't sure and then call that number, and that number scams them. Now they lose money because they called the number. It's the same thing with all of these scams of your computer's infected by a virus, and you just, have a phone number saying that, well, you should call here because Microsoft will help you. And no, it doesn't work like that. So I think it's worth, sharing and letting everybody know that this is a scam. It is in various ways, and that even if you get this in your email, they can't take any money from you in any way. So just ignore it. It's you delete this and you ignore it. And do not reply to the email, because replying will simply tell them that somebody out there is, got the message, and it's going to be 10 times worse after that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.